What's up, guys? It's been the Steampunk Nerfer. Sorry for my lack of videos and activity here in the last like 6 months or so. Been super slammed with work. I've been doing about 100-hour weeks for the past 5-6 months. Anyway, have a super special blaster to review for you today. Hope you like the video. Alright guys, so I've already busted out of its little shipping cardboard prison. So what I wanted to talk about is the darts. First and foremost, they actually give you W darts. This particular blaster only has storage for 2 darts and of course 1 in the barrel, which is a total of 3. First and foremost, also, this is a very handsome piece of artwork shell plastic done by Hasbro. And for $20 US, getting double your darts is a pretty great deal for most blasters. But of course, you know, you're paying the Star Wars tax, you're paying the Disney tax, and the Hasbro tax on these bad boys. But still, I'm really happy that they give you twice the amount of darts. Now, I've looked at the instructions, and this is supposed to fit on like so. And actually, I'm supposed to take this piece off here and fit it through the blaster holes here. Pop this back on, if I can get it. We are. And then through the other side. Now, the way this is supposed to work is this goes on your forearm, and it's supposed to go through. Let me give this a little extra length here. And I actually have some pretty small dainty wrists or so, which is, you know, it's a good thing and a bad thing. But there we are. Pop this on. It's actually a pretty comfy fit. And then just tighten this up. And actually, yeah, my arms are fairly small, so that's not bad. Now, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to bring this back around and then tuck this piece in. But I'm going to probably leave it out for right now. Maybe move it a little closer. And there we go. Yeah, tuck it in there. There we are. Yeah, just make sure it's a little on the tight side. There we go. Perfect. So now that is on my arm. Now, this kind of bothers me a little bit. Honestly, if I were using this for cosplay, I'd probably replace this piece here, this flexible plastic, with double-sided Velcro. Make it super nice and easy and super easy to work with. Now, for the actual performance of this blaster, you can't push this in until you actually put a dart in. So there is dart DRM. It's a safety lock, and to prime it, you push that in. And then this pops back out, and the dart is actually seated further into the blaster here. And to fire, of course, sorry, Baby Yoda. Whoop, I missed. You just press down on the red tab. As far as performance, this is not a performance blaster. It's not designed to be a performance blaster. It's a fun, mucking about convention blaster. Anyway, as far as the looks, I would probably personally use this as a last-ditch humans versus zombies blaster. You know, all else fails, you're a couple of feet away, you can just pop and blast a zombie that's super close by to you. I love the way it feels on my arm. It's actually really snug. I don't feel like it's going to go anywhere, probably because of how tight I've got it. I would definitely recommend changing this out to double-sided Velcro. Make it a lot easier to work with, and you can adjust you make sure that it adjusts however you want. Otherwise, you know, moving it up the arm a little bit probably would not be bad. It's a great feeling blaster. It looks good. It doesn't really perform all that great, but I'll be honest, it's much more of a cosplay piece, and I really do like it. Coloration's good. I will probably wear this to all my Nerf events now, not gonna lie. So if you like this, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this. I personally like it. I really, really like this blaster. Definitely well worth the 20 bucks, especially with the deco darts. I think that's really cool. So yeah, if you like this, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, whatever. Hopefully have some more content for you soon. I will be at Foam Fest over in the UK in April, so I'm looking forward to that. Right now, I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, for work. It's raining outside. It's early in the year, but love you guys. Thank you all for your support. It means the world to me. I've been nerfing for a very, very long time, and I just haven't had the opportunity to make a ton of videos recently, just because of work. But tell me what you think about this blaster. I think it looks, if I can keep a hold of it, looks very nice. So like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Stay steamy, my friends.